What you got here is me trying to beat Jason on the job.
What do we got?
Well, there's you and Sam. There's me. No, I wasn't mic'd up though. My headset wasn't working. My Bluetooth was off. Running out of film.
Practicing?
Yes, I'm a boom operator.
When's the stack going in this thing?
Right now.
Right now?
Yeah, like right now.
Or do you need some or?
Well, no, not necessarily. But I need to run conductors up to the brush guard. So
There's a little channel right here. You can still sneak it in.
okay. So I need to run these big cables across and up. If I need to, should I plan to come across here?
No, because the shroud sits right here.
Oh, got it. Okay.
So this is tight right here.
Okay. So where should I cross the front of the truck? And with these big beefy motherfuckers. These two go all the way across and they're gonna go out next to this gas compressor and up. They could go here, like they could go along the top, but they need to.
The turbo will probably melt it. You have to shield it.
Yeah, we don't want that. It'll burn the truck
When you
down.
probably put the shroud in, you might be able to go on this side of it right here.
The battery cables are way longer than I need. I could probably go ahead and pull them and cut them, but I just don't know how to route them up to the batteries.
The other one, it could come forward. You don't have a winch. Are you gonna have a winch leader?
They're gonna put a search and rescue rack bumper on it. Does it change the what you guys already did?
No.
Okay, yeah, I think they're
It's
gonna
just,
get 4 leaves.
it's just this right here. This is all
Yeah.
changes.
They gave me the final numbers today and I have the budget for it. If I got $150,000 to spend and you're telling me it's 180, guess what? I'm not putting a new bumper on it. So, but I think we're good now. I think it's gonna be fine.
Even though with our winch,
No, I won't do a winch right now, no.
you still have room right here to come across.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can test it.
Oh. So are you gonna get the transmission cooler mounted in the rear? Or are we still staying with the stack how it is right now?
I think we're doing stack as is for now.
Okay.
That's what we were doing earlier there, to figure out the
Yeah.
numbers and see what we do.
That wire is massive.
And it's not long enough to do what we want.
It's not?
Not to go that way. The long way around.
Uh-oh.
Not the end of the world. It goes like, it's the longest way.
I mean, you could weave it like behind the alternator and this side. This way is not against the turbo. You can still run it this way,
Okay.
but like follow this channel right here. See, that's an option too.
Yeah.
And then run it back that way. Oh, you just don't want to go. I mean, it's nice to clamp it here, but you don't want to run it above the turbo.
No, I don't want to cook it, yeah.
So let's run it. Lord Jesus. Huge. Huge, Jason. You don't even know what
That's what she said.
Yeah. All right, I think that's the game plan, yeah?
I don't know,
see.
you tell me.
Looks pretty okay.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you didn't get long enough ones on the top one.
I didn't know if I did. Did I not?
No.
Jared, haven't you done this before?
The last two we did were H2s.
How are they different?
I mean, it's a different truck.
One's a 1, one's a 2.
You guys Duramax H3? No. Wow, I mean, come on.
Stella, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Is he cool? Can you sit here?
So what are we doing?
We are wrapping up Sam's truck. There's still a lot of work to do. It's leaving on Monday.
It's still coming back though, right?
It's gonna come back, it has to. Check this out, this is pretty sick. Got this little pocket in here. Lights are gonna be recessed and protected inside of here. One of the problems we were running into was to try to figure out the standoffs and the mounting holes here. Because we had to destroy his light to get him in there. Oh, Jared, we also need a hole drilled right here, all the way through. I think that hole's 1/2 inch, just throw like a 3/8 hole through there.
Well, this morning I was
back.
Took a while.
Didn't take that long.
Yeah, it did. It's like 4 o'clock now. Oh shoot, you're early.
Yeah.
It's 3:40. That's crazy.
gonna
Absolutely amazing.
In the process of getting.
Yeah, I'm going up, but I just gotta get it past.
Oh, hold on. Hey, why you got a hard hat
Because I'm tired of hitting my head around here.
on? Do I need one?
But you're in the clear right where you stand at.
Right now.
Right now, I was here. I was jamming my head on the exhaust, on the frame. Get tired of that. It gets old quick. It
This truck was rough when it came in.
was bad.
It was one of the worst ones we've had come through. I mean, not a lot of rust, but
It was used.
yeah.
Used and abused.
Hey, Cheeto.
Yes.
Yeah, why are you guys wearing the same outfits?
I get it.
What do you mean that same?
Wait a minute.
It's Casual Friday.
Hey, what is that?
What?
Well, it could either be a rake to get that stuff off that radiator, or it's just a back scratcher. You sure?
Confidence?
Stella
What do you say?
says a rough kind of guess there.
What do you think, Stella? Oh, see? Good
Where you
call.
going, Stella?
She's running from you.
Camera shy.
Why am I holding this up still?
I don't know. I told you.
I can let go?
You can let go.
I was waiting for you to mount it up.
Well, I was waiting for you to leave so I could get in here.
All right, I'm out of here.